This video is to introduce some ideas I've been thinking about for work integrated learning, which actually grew out of my experience, I think about 2 or 3 years. What is that, like 8 or 10 terms or something, teaching the mobile app at Capstone project. In that course, I try to focus and emphasize on getting the students to do LARPing, live action role playing, in terms of seeing themselves as product delivery managers, project managers, marketing managers, business analysts, and IT architects. So anyway, this book captures as much of my thinking as I've been able to get down so far. Of course, I'll keep evolving it. But my suggestion for Will is, rather than having the students come up with the idea themselves, we require them to connect with employers and find an employer who has an interesting problem that the employer would like to see solved. And then the student undertakes to say, well, we'll work on that for our project here and we'll share the results back with you. Benefits is it's getting the college some positive visibility, as well as it's getting the students some experience doing what's effectively a sort of a job interview type conversation before they do the job interview. And more to the point, students are going to get exposed to the kinds of real problems we see in business, because having taken some capstone project presentations, some of their concepts are not really very well thought out. They're not really kind of rigorous enough to lend themselves to a good solutioning. So this book, I talk about the stuff I developed in Capstone Project for mobile, using business process modeler notation to design the business domain, using unified process, and using some other tools I can discuss. So anyway, I'm just passing along now, so we have this book where I'd like to offer this as a resource, as well as I'd like to offer my vision. And I'm already a Will instructor, right? So I'm already engaged in the program for as many hours a week or a month as you guys need me to explain the concept to the students. I can start, now that we're here at the start of the term, getting this going, start teaching them how to do what we used to call, I used to function in the role of being a pre-sales technical consultant at IBM. So we would talk to customers and try and elicit out what kind of key needs they might have, maybe even things they don't need. And perhaps students could connect with business partners, such as co-op business partners. And I'd like to work more on this, right? So you guys connect with me when you want me to work on this in terms of the will. Have a great day. Bye.